Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be decluttering a few things from my makeup collection. I've already decided what these products are. I'm not the type of person to declutter whilst I'm looking in my collection. I like to think about it first. It's a process. So that is what I did for this video. So if you're interested in seeing what products are leaving my collection, I hope you decide to stay tuned because we're going to get straight into the video. So here are all the items I'm going to be decluttering, majority of them being eyeshadows and brushes. So I'm going to start off here. No, I am not decluttering the Mcgrath Palette. I'm actually just going to get rid of the box. It ended up breaking up like this, and so it's not worth it trying to fix it up. What I did was I just placed the names on the back of the palette. I did the same thing to my Mented Cosmetics. It's easier and I don't have to keep a hold of something separate. So this box is going. These two nail polishes, this is from Essie and it is in Tuck It in My Tucks. It's kind of like this shimmery white. It's starting to get a little too thick, so I'm going to throw that one away. This is the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry. This was really good, but again, this one is getting really thick and it is in Petal Pusher, just a very milky pink peach shade. Sample mascara from Chanel. This is the La Base mascara. So I'm just going to give it to someone that's interested in having this on hand. This is my favorite Anastasia liquid lipstick, but I don't use liquid lipsticks all that much, so I'm going to give it away to someone who could make better use of it. This is from ColourPop, the Ultra Matte Lip in Chi. I decided to keep this. I first was going to declutter it previously, ended up keeping it and probably used it only once, so I'm going to give this away. Too Faced. This is in Sunset Crush. I forget what kind of lip gloss this is called, but it's very metallic, has a lot of glitter in it. I did try it out twice, I think, but it's just too much glitter for my liking, so give this away. This lip liner in Red Enrich. This is MAC's cream stick liner from long ago. It's been discontinued, but I do have one red lip liner already in Cherry, so I don't think I'll ever need two because I don't use red lip products all that much. This is the Power Matte Lip Pigment and it is in the shade Somebody to Love. I really like this product. I think it's one of the most comfortable liquid lipstick formulas out there, but again, it's just I don't use these things all that often, and I do have quite a few lip products that are in this shade, so this made no sense just to keep it. This is the Nars Matte Velvet Lipstick in Bahama. I really love this lip pencil, but it's just getting too old and I use the other shade a lot more, so I decided I'm just gonna keep one and get rid of the other. I haven't decided if I'm gonna give this away, just throw it away since it's so old. It still works, it's still good, but I don't know. I mean, look at the packaging. It's gross. Concealer, the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in medium 22. It's okay. I would never repurchase this product again. It's not enough coverage for me, and because of my oily skin, I don't feel like this is the best formula for it, so I'm gonna get rid of this. Rimmel Stay Matte. Check this out. This is in Nude Beige. I've had this one for a while. That's a pretty good pan right there. And I think I'm just gonna throw it away and open up a new one. As you can see, this is very peachy pink, and I did get the translucent formula. It looks a little bit more yellow. I see the pink whenever I apply this on my face, so I'm just gonna throw this away. Look at how dirty it is. Yuck. Okay, I'm doing it. I can't believe it. This is so hard for me. This is so hard. Okay, I'm getting rid of two MAC blushes. No! So I'm gonna start off with Sunbask. This was supposed to be decluttered. I put it back in my collection and I'm gonna declutter it again because I looked at my Tom Ford blushes and I have something very similar to this. So I'm gonna give it to my niece and she can make a better use of it. This next one is in Warmth of Coral. This is an old collection. It's since been discontinued, and again, this is one I love it, but I have Peaches, I have Melba, so do I really need this too? I don't. That's the answer. So I'm gonna give this to my niece as well. Guys, can you believe this? Look at this. This is a brand new Patrick Starr MAC powder. These were coveted when they first came out. I still have mine and barely have made a dent in it, so I don't bake. So it's just gonna collect dust, honestly. So I'm gonna give this to my niece. Let's talk about this palette. Once upon a time, I decided to decorate this ColourPop palette because it was gonna hold and house all my Nars duos. Since then, well, it's been downsized. So there's a ColourPop palette that's like this size, half of this, and that's what I've downsized my Nars collection to. I'm gonna be getting rid of these. This is in, what is it? I forgot it's called. Galapagos. This is a very popular shade, but I don't use it all that often. And then this one is in Lola Lola, and these two shades are from the Zulu palette. I have shades similar to this in other palettes, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Whether or not they're gonna be given to someone else or just chucked, I don't know yet. I should give it to someone, but look at this palette, it's horrible. What did I do? This is an old MAC palette. I've been keeping this. I think I had 8 or 9, and I've been keeping them because every time I declutter, I put the shadows that are circular in these things to give them away. You know, just makes it a little more special. These are all ColourPop eyeshadows, so you have 12. That's a lot. And you know what? I'm looking at this palette, and this is visually it's very beautiful. But at the end of the day, Annabelle, I have everything in the neutral category that is here, and I don't need these two. Totally forgot about this. This has been in the declutter box for a long time. A little while ago, I was given the opportunity to try out, I think, 2 products from this brand, Iris Beauty. This is the magnetic eyelash extensions. I also did try their eyeliner, and I think I ended up decluttering that as well. But these are just some magnetic lashes. I've never used them. I remember trying to find tutorials on how to use them, and I just went, nope. Not gonna happen. Lorac, this is devastating for me, but here's my reasoning behind this. I had recently purchased some ColourPop stuff in the same color family. I have the Pat McGrath, I have the Charlotte Tilbury, and I recently got Mented. Not to say that every single one of those palettes is similar color story, but I mean, this is the Charlotte Tilbury, and this is pretty much the ColourPop stuff. And I'm pretty sure this shade and this shade is in the Mented Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadows themselves still work wonderful. I think this is Lorac's best eyeshadow palette, but since I'm adding a few more eyeshadow palettes to my collection, I need to be able to let go of things that kind of look similar to it. So I'm gonna do that. Oh, this hurts me. You were so good to me. I love you. All right, let's get into all of these goodies. So Anastasia, this is, I've never used this. This is just a stain from the container that I keep my foundation in. I put them all in the same place. Never used this, so I'm giving it away. Let's do these smaller ones first. These two are from the ABH palettes, Modern Renaissance and Soft Glam. Those are the only 2 I've owned, so duh. I'm gonna clean this up and just give it to someone. These are actually not that bad. I think that they can do a pretty good job, but I have so many brushes like these, and I do have Urban Decay ones that look like these. So, and then we have this one from Dose of Colors. This is such a good pencil brush and a nice precision, like fluffy brush to blend out. But again, I have both of these, so bye. This is from Morphe. This is the E40. I think this is a mascara brush, if I'm not mistaken. I've never used it. Why the heck am I holding on to it? I don't know, but it will be no longer. Smashbox. This was so good to me for the longest time, but I've been using my MAC tapered brush, and so I'm gonna give this one away. I used it for highlighter for so long, but I actually prefer my MAC one. Let's do Real Techniques. These I'm not giving away because I don't like them. I just have doubles. I did get some, I think BH Cosmetics, maybe Morphe brushes. I'm pretty sure I did. So I have brushes coming in, so I need brushes to go out. I never signed up to take care of twins, so bye guys. This Morphe brush, M459. I think I even had a MAC one like this once upon a time. Why I got this, I have no idea. These contour brushes suck. That's personal opinion. It's so exact and precise, and that's not how I like to do my bronzer. So forget it. I'm never gonna buy these brushes again. Morphe, E31. I use this for foundation, as you can see. You can see that. You know what? The more I use it, the more I realize I need something more densely packed for my face. This is fluffy. This is probably going to be really good for powder foundation, just to pack on the intensity and the coverage. But for foundation, I don't like it. This is my least favorite brush. So giving that one away. And then this is the Morphe M527. It's one of these big fluffy white hair brushes. I have one similar to this from MAC, and I'm gonna keep that one. So why again I need a twin, I have no idea. So we're gonna give it away. You're giving away a MAC brush? Yes, I am. And this brush probably cost me a pretty penny. But it's years old and has held up pretty well. This is the 187. I do have the smaller version of this, and I like to use that for blush, but this, I don't know what I would use this for. It's a little too big for blush, in my opinion. So we're gonna give that away. Goodness, this is an expensive brush. I know it is. And lastly, we have the MAC 226 brush. I don't like these types of blending brushes. Does anyone else feel that way? I like those fluffy brushes. This ends up looking weird if I use it in my crease. I'm sure this would be great to like smudge on powder like on the lash line, but I have brushes that I prefer. So yep, that's gone too. And that is it. Alakazam. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I really do hope that you enjoyed it. My declutters are going to be few and far between from now on, as my collection has been downsized drastically since, I want to say maybe 2 years at this point. Definitely a big change. If you guys like this makeup look, go ahead and head over to Instagram. First link in the description box down below, where I'll post a photo of this makeup look along with all the products in the caption. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys. Oh no, I didn't put earrings on. This is what you do when you're technically not going to be showing your face. You just do your makeup for intro and outro. On to the floor.